Hey guys, it's Robert Fixit with just a little look at what happened when I tried to apply for monetization. This started back in April, I believe, or March. No, the first email was from March. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I applied for monetization, and I was denied. And then I was denied again, and then I was denied again, and then I was denied again. So the process, if you get denied, is you have to make an appeal and you have to record a video telling YouTube how you make your videos, where the material comes from, and explain why you should not be denied. And what actually happened at the end is pretty interesting. So let's watch the video and then we'll talk again after. Hello everyone, and welcome to my appeal video. My name is Robert, known as Robert Fixit on YouTube, and I make videos about computers and fixing things and other random items that I do during the day. So I've had this channel for many years. Actually, I didn't really use it that much, and here's the link: youtube.com/Robert Fixit. I was just uploading videos of things that I was fixing back in those days. I didn't use it all that much, and there weren't many followers. And about a year ago, I started making actual videos about computers and repairing them and buying them, selling them, gaming computers. And I started posting a lot of videos, actually, and I was getting a lot of subscribers. And finally, I hit the mark of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And so I applied for the monetized program, which was denied. It said due to reused content. I reapplied a month later. It was denied again, almost immediately. And after that, it said you had to wait, I think it was 2 months, to reapply again. So what I decided to do was go ahead and take a look at the channel and see what was causing the reused content thing. And what I found was that there were a few videos that were posted several years ago that were re-uploads of other videos. And I didn't know that at the time, that you couldn't do that. So I've since deleted those videos, and then I waited for the time to reapply again. I reapplied recently, thinking that everything is okay now, but it was denied again almost immediately. And I think that there's not a person behind the denial. I think it's a robot or AI or something. And so that's why I'm submitting the appeal now, because I want a person to actually take a look at the videos and either approve it, or if it's not approved, tell me what I'm doing wrong, because I've looked through all the videos. There are a lot of them, so it's kind of hard to see them all, but I looked through as many as I could, and I couldn't find anything that's reused. And so let me show you this. This is the software that I use to make the videos, CapCut, on my iPhone. Typically, I will record a video, for example, of me buying something, and then I add the intro, and then I add the ending, which I use the same one every time. I'm not sure if that's the problem. Also, there are movie clips in the intros in some of the videos, but the voices have been changed. They're actually my voice. The music has been changed, and the sound effects have been changed. So there should be at this point, there should be no video where it's actually just a video upload of another video. They have been modified. I use CapCut to do this. All the voices are mine. They are altered because there's different characters, but they're all mine. I put it in the bottom. I didn't put it in the older ones, but the new ones that I made, it says voiceover by Robert Fixit. If you go back a few months, you won't see that, but those are my voices. And I actually have copies of the whole thing here. You can see in the software where I do that. So anyway, that's what I do. I recorded it with my phone. I edit it out a little bit on my phone, and then I upload it from my phone. And that's the whole video creation process. There is no computer big editing thing at this point. It's just real fast. And as of the last 2 to 3 months, actually since April, I've been doing kind of like a vlog style. So it's just me buying the computer, I upload the video, and that's it. It's not even really edited that much. It's just every 2 to 3 days I upload another video. And so, yeah, I mean, that's the gist of it. I don't know why it keeps saying reused content when according to what I've read on the reused content do's and don'ts, I'm not uploading somebody else's video. I'm not editing someone else's video to post it as mine. I am significantly modifying the movie clips to my voice, sound effects, and music. So that's it. I don't have an appeal to say really, other than I don't know what it is that's reused. Now, if you could tell me, say, hey, this, you can't do this, and you can't do this, and you can't do this, or pick out a few videos where it's being identified that it is considered to be reused, then I would definitely take that in, remove those videos, edit them, and then not do that again. But I don't know what to do at this point. So I'm just asking for someone's help, a human, to actually sit down, look at the channel, and then just tell me what I'm doing wrong or approve it. I don't know. But yeah, so thank you, and look forward to hearing from you. Okay, so that was the video that I sent over. Basically, you record the video, you upload it, you have to set it to unlisted, and then you send them a link to it with the appeal, and then it says you have to wait 14 days. Now, what I did was I uploaded the video. I did the whole appeal process, right? But I was worried that nobody would actually see it, because all of the previous denials were just automatic. And so I don't know if this will work for you if you're trying to get this fixed, but I went ahead and went to YouTube chat support right away as soon as I uploaded it, and I immediately got a customer service person, and then I was chatting with them, and I said, is there any way somebody could look at this right now? And he said, well, yeah, but at least it's going to take 24 hours. So I said, okay, that's fine. So he said, let me just go talk to someone real quick. And then he came back and he sent me this email. He said, can you send me the link to the appeal video? So I did. And also, you can't delete any of your videos when you're going to appeal. If you delete anything, that's a red flag, and they won't make it, they won't approve it. So you can't delete anything. But I had already deleted all those videos from way back when, and I waited the 90 days to 60 or 90. It was a long time. That's why I was so heated when it didn't get approved again, because I deleted everything. I actually even deleted some of my own videos that I thought could be questionable. So he came back and he sent me an email. We weren't chatting anymore at this point. We just went to email. And then he sends me the email. He said, everything's good. You're going to be approved. And then I got this email that says you've been approved for the partner program. But here's the weird part. When I submitted the link, the video had 2 views. He proved it right away. There were no extra views. There's no way he could have watched the video because the views didn't go up and the video was 7 minutes long. So maybe if they watch it, it doesn't count as a view. I don't know. But it seemed like he didn't actually watch nobody watched the video. But I was talking to an actual person. So that's good. So I'm approved now. I'm still not monetized because by deleting all of those old videos, I lost watch hours. My watch hours went from 4,000 to, I think, 18 or 1,900 at the time. Which is fine because those watch hours didn't count, right? Because those weren't my videos. I mean, those videos were from years and years ago. But yeah, so if you're having trouble with the monetization, you just have to be careful with the reused content. That's different than copyrights. Copyrights just means you can't make money on that particular video. But reused content is basically taking somebody else's video and uploading it as your own. As far as I know, there was a guy who I watched, I forgot the name of the guy, unfortunately, but he went through step by step on how to stop this from happening. And he said if you get denied initially, one thing you can do, and this is what I did too, is he said make a ton of videos. Just spam the channel with videos, like vlogs, even every day if you have to. So that when someone sits down for the appeal, they're going to see you vlogging they just want to make sure you're a real person, that's all. At the end of the day, that's what it is. And I'm not in the videos, so that's even harder. I thought that was a problem. I also thought that using of movie clips was a problem, but it's not because I changed the voices. I probably don't even have to change the voices, but I do just because I want to make it my own little funny spoof kind of thing. And I changed the music and the sound effects too, just because it's fun. But other than that, I mean, I've seen people just get stuck in monetization hell for months, and they can never get approved. One guy, you know what he did? He just deleted all his videos. He started over. Somebody told me to do that, and I was like, there's no way I can't delete all the videos. If I never get monetized, that's fine. I mean, people are obsessed with monetization, but in reality, monetization could be $20. I talked to 2 YouTube people. They have videos, they do live streams, and they make not even $20 a month. So I wouldn't be too obsessed with monetization. For me, I just wanted to know why, that's all. It wasn't as if I was trying to get money. They never would tell you why. They would just say denied, denied, denied. And it's really weird. But I'm going to make another video about this where I'm going to show you how you can get monetized without being monetized. Basically, all the ways you can make money from YouTube without monetization. And you'll make more than you'll make on the monetization, at least initially. Anyway, good luck for those of you trying to get monetized. I won't still be monetized probably till next year at this point because I don't have the watch hours.